Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited because it is my favorite time of year, fall and Halloween and my husband's birthday and my 18-year anniversary. We're married. I just love basically anything fall. So yeah, of course, and Thanksgiving also. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what we picked up. Nothing super duper crazy. I do have quite a bit, but I'm ready to decorate, so I need to show you guys what I picked up. I hope you guys can hear me. I usually do wear my mic, but I hate that it makes a certain sound sometimes, so I have it kind of right directly in front of me, so I'm hoping that it just sounds better and still cancels out the noise of my munchkin in the background. All right, so I am going to just start grabbing stuff. I think I'm going to start with Target because I think that is the least amount of stuff. It's kind of all over the place though. So at Target, I did pick out some things, and my daughter picked out some things, and my husband picked out some things for my daughter's bedroom. So he picked out this with her. She loves ice cream, and she actually really liked it. She says Susto ice cream. So she got that. And a green one. We got this at the dollar spot, but these were $3 each. She picked up this really cute pumpkin for her bedroom. And then I picked up this guy because I thought it was super duper cute. It does light up, but I'm just probably going to put water in it. Wait, I know it lights up. How does it light up? I don't even know. Oh, there it goes. It lights up in the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm guessing when you put something in it, it just lights up even more. Anyways, I thought this was super duper cute. I'm going to see if another straw fits in here because it actually kind of goes with my daughter's Halloween costume, which is right there. She's going to be a witch. That is what she wanted it to be. Alright, and then again, still at Target, I picked up these for my daughter's bedroom as well. Not sure if I'm going to put them in her bedroom or put them somewhere else, but I thought it was super duper cute. That was $10. I got these on Amazon. It's just in that bag, but I got it a while ago, and it's light up leaves. I honestly bought these on Amazon, and they were like $5, so I think that's why I actually got them. I also got these really cute ice trays. They are pumpkin. Again, they're kind of like the dollar spot at Target, and this was $3. I got that so that I can give my daughter likes ice in her milk, and I can do it in my coffee also. This is part of the haul also, but we'll get there. But yeah. And then I am gonna do a boo basket for her, and I'm also going to do a trick or treat bag for her, because we don't know if we went trick or treating though, but I asked her, do you want to give out candy? Do you want to get candy? And she said she wants to give out candy. So I think I'm going to do little bags. I kind of already bought some stuff. I'll show you guys that in another video. To do little goodie bags. We normally don't get a lot of trick-or-treaters. So I'm only going to do like 40. Very affordable though. And then I'm going to do a trick-or-treat bag for her. So if we do go trick-or-treating, when we come back, she will get that bag with not candy, because we still don't give her candy, even though she says she eats candy, but she doesn't. So I got her the Halloween glow. What's this? Actually, this was Walmart, guys. Yeah, these three are Walmart. I'm pretty sure these are Walmart. So these little headband thingies, and they glow. I think this is also perfect when we go to pumpkin patches or if we go to the zoo at night, like for Halloween stuff that they're gonna have. I got her, finally found one of these. I should have bought more than one, but these are a little like a wand. And then I got her a little pumpkin plus as well. Those again were at Walmart. I don't know why I got kind of confused and put that one in there, but sticking to Walmart then, let me grab it. We did see this guy in cap, and I needed to get it. Thought it was so cute, and it was like, it's only $14. And this guy is so freaking cute. So cute. It's so cute. So I got that honestly for my room. We'll see and see where I put things or where I don't put things. All right, and then at Dollar Tree, She picked out some things, I picked out some things, and my husband picked out some things. It's kind of like the whole thing of how it went. But you know, Dollar Tree is 125 now, so annoying. Um, they picked up this ghost, which I thought was really, really cute. I don't know where we're gonna put it yet, but they picked that. My daughter does like cats. She also picked out the witch. She has it in her room right now, playing with it. But it's really cute. I don't know how I'm gonna put this on her door yet. I need to reorganize her door. I know that sounds weird, but I do. Um, I got these either from my room or hers, depending on where I don't put the ghost, basically. Which this was not. This was $3 at Dollar Tree. And then I got this guy again, either for her door or for her like the middle of her room. And then my husband picked up these pumpkins to go in her room. They do light up. Actually, can I see if that lights up? Oh no, I think it has a little thing in it. But they do light up. Again, 125. He got purple because it's a favorite color, and then he also picked out an orange one. Excuse me. Orange one. And then we got some of these, and I think we got more. He got that and pumpkin little lights. I know, I swear Dollar Tree has the cutest things right now, but he picked out both of these for her. And then he also picked out this little pumpkin. He actually picked out two of these. I gotta look for the other one. But I know he picked out two of the pumpkin for her room. And then I saw this and I thought it was cute because I can keep it for not just Halloween, but for Thanksgiving. And I also got something else that matches that now that I think about it. Let's go ahead and look for that bag. She actually picked out some of these also. I do absolutely love pumpkins. Last year I bought all of their like checker ones. I only put last year a couple years back. But I just picked out a couple more. Me and my husband do love pumpkins. So I got this one. I just think they're so freaking cute. But people do mess with them, so they do kind of mess up. Which was a really pretty white one. This was really hard to find because I feel like all the white ones were kind of messed up and picked it up. But that one, ignore my nails. Guys, go to 5below. So let me show you what we got there. I wanted to go crazy and get other things, but I you know, stayed a little composed. I'm lying. I still have more Dollar Tree. So let me show you that first. So I got some of these. I threw away the ones from last year. I don't know why, but I do like decorating that. And then some other stuff in my room. So I got three for my bedroom. My bedroom. My beauty room. I got purple for my daughter's room. Her favorite color is purple. And then my husband got this little activity foam craft kit. And it's to make witches. Again, she loves witches, so we got that for her. So again, like I was saying, I want to make little baggies, and I also am going to make my daughter a little blue basket. So I got this one. I don't know which I'm going to use for what yet. I might just use this for Halloween candy, to be honest, like the bags. And then the other thing. Oh, see, I told you guys about another pumpkin one, but this one's a smaller pumpkin. Yeah, it is. So then we went to 5below. I'll show you guys the bin right now. Just wait. Still with Dollar Tree. I got these. It's not even for her to put on the window. I literally got it for her to put in the bathroom. The glass that I have in the bathroom. I thought it would be kind of cute. And then I did pick some up for after Halloween, so she can put some stuff that are like, I guess you could say, obviously not Halloween. And then now we can jump in. Yeah, now we can jump into 5below. I have stuff everywhere. I told her to pick out some pumpkins for her room, and she picked out these. These are $2. I picked out this shirt. And then I also picked up these socks because they were freaking cute. I picked up two of these cups. I do want more, but I picked up both of these cups. And then online I did order some plushies that I wanted, and they didn't have the ones I wanted in store, so I'll put them on the screen right now. Also, if you guys are interested in anything that I am showing you guys from 5below, I did find it on their website, so I will link that down below if you are interested. I also got a scrub daddy from 5below. This is the pumpkin one. They did have a ghost, and they also had Frankenstein, but I just decided to go with the basic pumpkin. And then you guys know I was telling you guys about what I'm gonna put, like either a blue basket or this one to put trick-or-treat bags. I'm not sure yet, but regardless, I kind of love this. So, and this was $3 at FabFitFun. I already said FabFitFun like 500 times. All right, so now I believe we could jump into Ross. So at Ross, I found this cup. It was $4.99, and I thought it was so freaking cute for my coffee. So the other side is the exact same thing, but I thought it was so cute. So I got this guy, and then let me open the other bag. Things in here. Yes, I did. So it's a little bit of 5below and a little bit of Dollar Tree still. So let me still show you the not 5below, Ross. The other thing I got at Ross was this. Did I need it? Absolutely freaking not. But I thought it was so cute. And I love the little pumpkins. It's a vampire. It's super duper cute. So I got this, and this was only $8.99. So I kind of had to get that. Gotta wash that right now. And then also at 5below, right? Not 5below. I keep saying Ross. Not 5below. I got this cute little set. So it comes with, I wish it came with one more, but it comes with this really cute pattern. It's like a little witch house, little haunted house. And then I got the mint because I thought it was really cute, and I like baking a lot in this time of the year. So those at Ross. And then, like I said, I got this guy also, and that I got this for Thanksgiving time. I put that to the side, but this also for Thanksgiving time. But again, it matches this. Dollar Store always has the cutest things. I always get more than one of those dish drying. I thought it was dish drying mats. Dish drying mats. So yeah, that matches that. And then I also got this for Thanksgiving, and I bought 2 of them, so that it will all kind of match together. I feel like this stuff always sells out fast, so when I saw it, I picked it up right away. And then last but not least, this is not like, I guess important, but I did get these on Amazon. I thought they were super duper cute. And I also, let me tell you what it is, which is a color changing lip oil. It's a Nightmare Before Christmas, obviously you guys can see that. And then this is a lip and cheek tint that I wanted to get as well. And then I'll show you guys on the screen. I did get mats to put in my kitchen to switch it up for fall. I didn't want to get a Halloween targeted one because I know that realistically it's only going to be out for like a month, and I wanted it to be up all the way through November. So I got those mats, and they're super cute. Alright guys, now I need to fix and organize this and start getting ready to, start decorating. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and thumbs up if you haven't already. If you have any questions or want any links to anything that I didn't have already down below, please let me know, and I'll go ahead and link it for you. I do make a very small commission. Helps out a stay-at-home mom a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.